ग्रेटर नोएडा के ब्लू सफायर मॉल में लेवल 21 में 12 मई 2024 को मदर्स डे के मौके पर पोषण विशेषज्ञ परिधि सिंह ने अपनी पहली पुस्तक कर्व एंड क्रेव बुक लॉन्च किया। इस महत्वपूर्ण मील के पत्थर को देखने के लिए उत्सुक दोस्तों, परिवार और ग्राहकों की भारी संख्या में भीड़ देखने को मिली। बता दें कि परी फिटनेस वॉक की दूरदर्शी मालकिन परिधि सिंह ने 1000 से अधिक व्यक्तियों के जीवन को प्रभावित किया है। उन्हें उनके सर्वोत्तम स्वास्थ्य के लिए मार्गदर्शन किया है। जैसे ही उन्होंने कर्व एंड क्रेव का अनावरण किया, परिधि ने पोषण में अपने उद्यम के पीछे की गहरी व्यक्तिगत प्रेरणा को साझा किया। आत्म परिवर्तन की एक यात्रा जिसने उन्हें दूसरों को सशक्त बनाने के लिए प्रेरित किया। उन्होंने अपने अमूल्य गुप्त व्यंजनों और अंतर्दृष्टि को दुनिया के साथ साझा किया। कर्व एंड क्रेव की प्रस्तावना सोशल बाइट्स इवेंट की संस्थापक संगीता भगत द्वारा लिखी गई थी, जिन्होंने परिधि की परेशानी मुक्त आहार योजनाओं की प्रति प्रभावशीलता की पुष्टि की थी। साथ ही हृदय स्वास्थ्य में अपने योगदान के लिए प्रसिद्ध प्रतिष्ठित हृदय रोग विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर आशीष श्रीवास्तव ने इस कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई और समग्र स्वास्थ्य को बनाए रखने में पौष्टिक आहार के सर्वोपरि महत्व को रेखांकित किया। उन्होंने समग्र स्वास्थ्य को बढ़ावा देने के लिए परिधि के समर्पण की सराहना की और पोषण के क्षेत्र में उनके प्रभावशाली काम के लिए उनकी सराहना की।
उसके बाद आप अभी ऑफर है, तो क्या इसके बीच की जर्नी है?
It's really very beautiful journey. I didn't do much. I was a nutritionist, and as an author, I planned. It's been long time ago. I planned to write a book. It's been more than 1 year. I say the challenge is like, as a nutritionist, if you have to put something in your book, it should be planned. You cannot write anything because people can take it and they will not. The target will be bad, or benefit will be against that. So as a nutritionist, it's easy to give a plan to people, but it's really tough to write in the pen down in the book. So yeah, it's a big challenge for me, but it's a wonderful journey and I enjoyed it a lot.
So what kind of response do you expect from the readers now?
Too much, because they're already very excited. My dieters, my readers, my friends, my families, they're already very excited, and I must say it will gonna rock.
So ma'am, really this book is different from other books because there are many books which your edition has released, but still people don't understand the thing about that.
See, actually that's true. I'm not the one who writing that recipe book, and everything is on Google. Everything is, many people not writing recipe books, but this is very different. You will not find my recipes anywhere. It's a fusion of food, mystery of food, but you will find a very tasty and yummy recipes.
I'm Komal Lola, and I know Parati for a very long time, and I'm very thrilled for today because she's come up with a book. She's such a wonderful person, a wonderful human being, I would say, and I am so excited to read this book because the very first thought when I got to know that she's written a book, I was very sure that it's going to be all about life, how to handle life, how to stay fit and healthy. So I'm really excited. I wish all the best to her.
Thank you so much. So introduce yourself and talk about this event.
Hi, my name is Kirti Mishra Nara. I am founder Catalytus. It's a training platform, and that's how I know Paridhi. Our association goes like 3 to 4 years back, and she is a wonderful person, a great human being, and an amazing author, which you would all be witnessing. We all gathered today to witness her book, the unveiling of her book, and it's all about diet and nutrition and the healthy concept, the easy concept. Usually we have this in mind that you have to get rid of parathas and oil, but she has tried to inculcate some different techniques which makes it easy for us to manage it in our daily routine. And if I talk about her as a person, she's a very bubbly person, a helpful soul, and I really wish her all the best in her career and in her growth of success.
Introduce yourself and just explain about the event.
Hi, so I'm Visha Pandit. I am a very dear friend of Paridhi. We've known each other since last 8 years, and I've seen her transformation, her journey. I've witnessed how dedicated she is, how committed she is, and how beautifully she explains her diet plans. And her diet is so easy to follow. I've been her customer also, and she's so dedicated. She would WhatsApp in the morning that what have you taken, what are you eating, send me pictures. She'll send voice notes that you have to do this, you have to do this. I mean, she's the best mentor that you can hope for, and I wish her all the very best. This book looks so promising, and I think I will recommend her to all the near and dear ones.
and I absolutely love her diet plans. They're so easy to follow, so easy to cook. I mean, we have this perception that dieting will be difficult. It will need a lot of efforts from our side to cook the required meals, but it's so healthy and it's so nutritious.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tarandeep and I'm here for the launch event of Curve and Crave by Paridhi. I'm so excited. I had taken a diet plan from her like 3 years ago when I was contesting for a pageant, and she had given a wonderful diet. The best part about her diet is that they are super easy to follow. Plus the ingredients that she makes you use are readily available in the kitchen. So it's nothing like fancy and all full of fluff. It's super easy because we all have very hectic lifestyles. So to be able to follow a consistent diet which can yield results, Paridhi is all about that. And I am really looking forward to reading this book and the healthy recipes. So let's see, and I wish her all the best in all the endeavors. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Sangeeta and I'm here at Paridhi's book launch. We've known each other for 2 years now, and I think she's a great dietitian. The best part about her is she's a hassle-free dietitian, and for every person who's consulting or taking diet, the person is always vulnerable. And when you approach her with your emotions, or when you're low, I think she takes this up very positively. She'll not judge you, she'll not scold you. And I think this is what makes her different than the other. Also, one more thing, the client and the dietitian relationship, I think she invests a lot into it. 90% of the dietitians end your relationship once the diet is over. With her, I think that stays lifelong. Here and there, she'll help you. I think this is what I like about her, and she's very hardworking. I wish her all the very best for this book, and I wish her all the very best for many more to come. Thank you.
Your name and what do you feel about this event?
Hi, I'm Anuradha Bhatia, President of Innerville Club Noida Elite, और this is a good opportunity to come here, and क्योंकि परिधि को मैं सिर्फ 1 साल से जानती हूँ, और जब से मैं परिधि को मिली हूँ, she is full of energy, she is very friendly, और जो इसकी डाइट प्लान्स हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो मैं आज जो उसने बुक लॉन्च किया है उससे बहुत सारे लोग उसको पढ़ेंगे और उसका बेनिफिट उठाएंगे. तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कम हियर, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू परिधि. हम उसकी बुक को बहुत आगे प्रमोट भी करेंगे और इसके साथ हम आगे बहुत काम भी करने वाले हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.